The Qur'an and its facts. Imagine a book revealed over 1400 years ago. A book memorized by millions, read by billions, and studied by scientists, linguists, and historians alike. This book is called the Qur'an, and today we'll uncover some remarkable facts about it that might surprise you. Qur'an was revealed in the 7th century in Arabia to Prophet Muhammad, a man who could neither read nor write. Over 23 years, he received verses that were later compiled into what we now know as the Qur'an. What's fascinating is that it was not presented as the words of the Prophet himself, but as direct revelation from God. Unlike many ancient texts that have been revised or altered, the Qur'an has remained unchanged since it was revealed. Historical manuscripts from the earliest centuries match perfectly with the copies printed today. Even more astonishing, millions of people around the world have memorized it cover to cover, word for word, making it the most memorized book in history. Qur'an was revealed in Arabic, but even those who don't understand the language can feel its rhythm and flow. Its style was so unique that it challenged the best poets and linguists of the time. Until today, scholars recognize its literary structure as unmatched. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Qur'an is how it mentions natural phenomena that were only discovered centuries later. The expanding universe. Qur'an describes the heavens as being in constant expansion, something science confirmed only in the 20th century. Mountains as stabilizers. It says mountains act like pegs anchoring the earth. Geology later showed that mountains have deep roots and stabilize tectonic plates. Embryology. Qur'an outlines the stages of human development in the womb in a way that closely matches modern embryology. The seas and barriers. It mentions that two seas can meet but not fully mix, which oceanography has shown to be true due to differences in salinity and density. The atmosphere as protection. Qur'an describes the sky as a protective canopy. Today we know Earth's atmosphere shields us from harmful radiation and meteors. The water cycle. The book speaks of rain being sent down, stored in the earth, and then returning, a description of the water cycle long before it was scientifically explained. Fingerprints. It points out the uniqueness of fingertips, at a time when no one could have known each person's fingerprints are different. These examples don't aim to make the Qur'an a science textbook, but they do show how its descriptions align with what modern science has discovered much later. Beyond science, Qur'an has shaped civilizations, inspired art and literature, and provided ethical and spiritual guidance for billions. It emphasizes values like justice, charity, patience, and compassion, principles that resonate across cultures and faiths. Whether one sees it as divine revelation, a historical text, or a source of wisdom, Qur'an stands as one of the most influential books in human history. Its preservation, its message, and its insights invite everyone, not just Muslims, to explore it with an open mind. Perhaps the most powerful fact is this: the more people study it, the more they discover within it.